Best houseplants for a bedroom. Houseplants aren't just for decoration, they help improve air quality and promote better sleep. Here's a quick guide to the best plants for your bedroom. First, lavender. Known for its calming scent, lavender helps reduce stress and improve sleep quality. This low-maintenance plant is perfect for adding a soothing touch to your bedroom. Care tip: keep in indirect sunlight. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Next is the snake plant. This plant filters out toxins like formaldehyde and produces oxygen at night, making it an ideal bedroom plant. It's tough, tolerating low light and requiring minimal care. Care tips: low light, water sparingly. For pet owners, the spider plant is a great choice. It's pet-friendly and helps remove toxins like carbon monoxide from the air. It's also easy to care for and brings a fresh green touch to your space. Care tips: indirect light, keep the soil slightly moist. Next, we have jasmine. Its delightful fragrance reduces anxiety and enhances your mood and restful sleep. However, those sensitive to strong scents or living with asthma might find it overwhelming. Care tips: needs indirect sunlight and keeps soil moist. The aloe vera plant not only purifies air but also has healing properties. Its gel can soothe minor burns and cuts. It thrives in indirect sunlight and needs very little water. Care tips: let the soil dry completely between waterings. Looking for humidity? The Boston fern adds moisture to dry air and filters toxins like formaldehyde. Care tips: prefers indirect light. Keep the soil moist and mist regularly. Finally, the peace lily. It not only purifies the air, but also increases humidity, which is great for preventing dry skin and respiratory issues. Care tips: thrives in low to medium light, keeps soil consistently moist. By adding any of these plants to your bedroom, you'll create a peaceful environment, improve air quality, and promote restful sleep. Choose the ones that fit your lifestyle and enjoy the natural benefits. Transform your bedroom, sleep better, breathe easier,